It's a 2016 Honda Civic. With an energetic and unmistakable exterior, this thoughtfully designed Civic never plays catch-up. Continuing to push the boundaries of automotive engineering, this sedan's power steering and rear suspension offer greater handling for a more pleasurable drive. Surround yourself in safety with a multi-angle rear-view camera and vehicle stability assist with traction control. Plus, it's full of convenience features like climate control, LED daytime running lights, Eco Assist system, and an electric parking brake with automatic brake hold.
Set it and forget it with the climate control. See objects previously out of sight with the rear view camera.
Climb inside this overachieving Honda Civic. Drive yours home today.
Martin Mainline Honda is your Ardmore, Pennsylvania Honda dealer. Call, click, or stop in today. We're located at 123 East Lancaster Avenue in Ardmore, Pennsylvania.